cranking.
Go.
Stop cranking.
Come on.
I'm too
Come
light.
on.
See, look.
Come on.
Too light.
Bring it on. Come on.
I'm too light.
Come on.
I'm doing it.
No, the wrong one. Go to the other side. Go on the other side. Put your feet on the other side. Go ahead.
Oh, dang.
Come on. You know how to do it.
I'm
Come
too
on.
light.
Come on. Boy, you in the country. Get it going. Come on. Turn it on.
See, look.
Turn it on.
Too light.
Come on. Get with it. Turn it on. We got us a new grass cutter.
See, look, I'm too light.
You ain't too light. Come on. Let's go. Hook it up. This boy gonna tell me about not feed here for 2 weeks so he can lose weight. All right, let's go forward. Go forward. Go ahead. Look at my new grass cutter, y'all. Look at my new grass cutter. He having enough to sit on it now. That's all that good food I've been cooking. Oh, look at my grass cutter.
Happy?
I'm happy. All right, family. Simple Journey.